Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone out there, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So glad to have you here today, and I thank you for taking precious time out of your day to see what I have to show you. So hope everyone has had a wonderful weekend, beginning to their week, having a great day today. I'm not sure what day this will actually come out for you, as I do pre-record, but I have some things from Amazon. So I wanted to show you what I got. I'm gonna see if I can rip into it. I haven't even opened it, y'all. So I got a 3-pack of diamond paintings. I will link these in the description box below. And I got a great deal on these. I believe I only paid $5.99 for 3 diamond paintings. So, Easter's coming. So, these are diamond paintings that could be done for Easter. I think they're all 30 by 40s. Again, I did get them from Amazon. So let's see what I got, okay? Let's start with this first one. Oh, yeah, this one's pretty. These are round drill. And I hope we can hear. Hang on. Okay, guys, I had to stop the video to make sure. I had my earpiece in and wanted to make sure you guys could hear me. So let's get started. So just your typical toolkit. All you need to diamond paint: a plate of wax, your tray, and your pen. Drills come on a silver train. I'm gonna give this a little roll. Oh dear, I'm gonna have to get up and grab my scraper. Give me just a second. Got the scraper. Let's do a sideways roll here. Oh yes, this is so pretty. So this one, again, is a 30 by 40. It has 19 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8. And then 9 through 19 are uppercase letters in alpha order. All right. So this is what we got. Look at that church. Of course, it looks kind of fallish colors there, but, and I'm sorry, I do have a little bit of a shadow, don't I? Apologize for that. But this is what it looks like. Here is your drill field. And, oh goodness, I think that's pretty. Maybe the evening sun coming in on that. And here are your colors. There's some pink in here, and I'm not really seeing pink in the diamond painting, but pinks, peaches, browns, grays, tans. And there is 310. Just a little bit, not very much 310 in here. But here is what your color palette looks like for this one. But isn't that pretty, guys? I think it's pretty. All right, so there is that one. Let's see what we got next. What do we have next? And as I said, these are all 30 by 40s. You guys may be hearing my wind chimes. It is just a tad bit windy out there, but I love the sound of my wind chimes. I'm not sure if the, so I have my little earpiece in. I don't know if it drowns out background noise or not. Again, typical toolkit. Oh, we're gonna have to do a sideways roll on this one too. Now, at least these did not come folded in half, and they did come from Amazon. So they were rolled in the packages. So this is Jesus carrying his cross. You know the story of Jesus. This one has 15 colors, again, round drill. You know the story. If you don't know about Jesus, I hope you get to know about Jesus. He is my best friend. But look at that. That is very pretty. It's a very sad painting for me. However, if this had not happened, can't imagine. But anyway, so legend 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and then 9 through 15 are uppercase letters. Here is the drill field. And so these are more muted colors here. 310. There's a lot of color blocking in this. This probably wouldn't take a lot of time. There is some confetti up in here. Very little here. Some confetti down here. But yeah. There is a sideways view. All right. So there's that one. And we have one more that came in this 3-pack. And again, this was a great deal. I don't know if it's still going on or not. I just got these. I'm recording. Today is March the 20th, I believe. March the 20th. It's nice outside. It's supposed to get to 80 degrees today. So happy about that. Again, typical toolkit. So these aren't really colorful, but I still think that they are very pretty. Be nice paintings to have for Easter. And here is this one. It is gorgeous. Again, color blocking, line blocking in this one. A little bit of confetti. probably wouldn't take a very long time to do. So I'm not sure what these blooms are down here. If they kind of remind me of a dogwood. Oh, this is stuck tight. That's what it is. That's the painting, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And here's your drill field. Pretty clear. 18 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and then 9 through 18 are uppercase letters in alpha order. Just beautiful. This is just a beautiful, beautiful painting. So here are the colors. Again, they're muted. Sorry about that glare. And there you go. A little bit of 310 in this one as well, but not very much. And there are some guide circles. Let's see. You can see there. I apologize for that shadow. I'm doing this in my house today instead of in the craft house. But anyway, so we have this one. Then we have this one. And then we have the church. So that is all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you again so much for coming to join me. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others always, even when others aren't kind to you. Remember, we never know what other people may be going through, so give someone a kind word or a smile today. You never know what a difference you're going to make. God bless each and every one of you, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.